This is PC747, bringing you the latest in tech and entertainment talk. Let's go ahead and talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note, the phone that changed smartphones forever. The original Note is why we see phones that are phablet-sized. At the time when it came out, people criticized it for its size, felt like this was not what we wanted to see in a phone. And now we're seeing more phones that are of the size of the original Note and larger, and less phones that are hovering around what we consider normal size back then. So as the Galaxy Note come upon year number 9, and what set the Note apart from every other phone besides its size was the S Pen. Well, this year we may see the S Pen get an upgrade. In the past, the S Pen wasn't powered. It pretty much reacted to the screen. But now it looks like Samsung may be changing that by putting a Bluetooth chip in it. This will open up the phone to a number of options that used to not be available with the Note. I look forward to seeing what abilities you will be able to do now with the new S Pen. And we will be able to see that come September 9th in Brooklyn, New York, where Samsung will have their press event. This is PC747. Thank you again for watching. Leave your comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.